Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I had no idea that something could be cozy and cooling at the same time until I tried these Baloo French linen sheets. This set impressed me from day one. One reason being the fact that they are really generously sized. This is a big relief to me because in the past I have had bed sheets that were not big enough, and it was such a source of irritation to me. The same is true of the pillowcases as well. They completely encase my king size pillows with room to spare. It is an absolute breeze to make my bed with this set. We found this sheet set to be great to sleep in right from day one, but I definitely noticed a difference after a few washes. They became much softer and even cozier. I was struck how the material has really great weight to it, and I could just tell right away that it was excellent quality. I love the natural textured look of the linen. I think that this is great for me because it is not super fussy and something that I need to maintain. I don't have time in my schedule to be ironing sheets, so these sheets are just the way I like it. I'm a big fan of the dove gray color that I chose. I think it is just this really beautiful neutral, and I know that it will go well with whatever bed covering I choose to use with it. My husband and I both find that we have a much more comfortable temperature throughout the night when we use these sheets. We love bedtime so much more now, and our sleep is definitely better since we got this Baloo French linen sheet set. And that's my point of view.